In terms of appearance, the new Avatr 12 continues the design of the existing model by adding mainly Hui gold paint, which uses chameleon effect pigments that can show a floating gold effect at certain angles. The new car adopts a minimalist and avant-garde design concept, in which the headlight assembly has the most unique shape. The split daytime LED design and slim shape have a very strong visual impact. At the same time, daytime running lights and direction indicators add a sense of luxury by showing fluid water dynamics. The side of the body adopts the Fastback shape, has smooth body lines and is compatible with large-sized 5-spoke wheels. It has the styling of a British GT Coupe. Electronic exterior mirrors greatly enhance the technological feel of the vehicle and make the entire vehicle look more stylish and advanced. The rear of the car has a round and plump shape, and the slim taillight group reflects the headlight group. In this age where crossover taillight design is mainstream, the Avatr 12 is undoubtedly unique. In addition, the new car is also equipped with an active lift spoiler and adopts the hatchback tailgate opening method to highlight the sporty atmosphere. In terms of body size, its length, width and height are 50/20/1999/1460, 1450 mm and wheelbase is 3020 mm, respectively, which is consistent with the old model. In terms of interior, it also maintains the design of the current model. The general style is also very avant-garde and science fiction. It's digitally equipped with a super cool 35.4-inch remote control screen. The information center of the entire car not only strengthens the instrument panel, the functions also greatly enrich the scenes in the car, bringing an unimaginable sense of technology. The two sides are display screens of outside streaming rearview mirrors, and some driving information is displayed in the middle. The new car is also equipped with a 15.6-inch central control screen and a unique steering wheel that looks a bit like an F1 racing wheel and has a combat feel. Its front seats have been upgraded to zero-gravity seats with 16-way power adjustment, 3-speed heating/ventilation, and 8-point massage. Additionally, the vehicle system board has been optimized with various new function cards, visual effects and special input optimization, which will be available to users via OTA upgrades in the first half of this year. In terms of smart cockpit, it is equipped with Huawei's HarmonyOS 4.0 vehicle system, which supports 5G network, facial recognition, quad-zone voice recognition wake-up, continuous voice recognition, visible and speech, multi-finger flying screen operation. In terms of smart driving, the new car is equipped with Huawei's ADS 2.0 high-end smart assisted driving system. The hardware is equipped with a total of 29 smart driving sensors, including 3 LiDAR, 11 cameras, 12 ultrasonic radar and 3 mm wave radar. In addition to pilot-assisted driving on high-speed road sections and urban road sections, it can also perform functions such as automatic parking and remote control parking. Also standard in terms of configuration are 8 airbags, 20-inch wheels, 540-degree panoramic view with transparent chassis, keyless entry for the entire vehicle, adaptive far and near headlights, panoramic canopy and multi-layer front row soundproof glass, heated steering wheel, 50W wireless mobile phone charging, media streaming rearview mirror, front seat heating/ventilation/massage, front seat memory, rear seat heating, 64-color ambient lighting and car air freshener. High-end models will also be equipped with power doors, photosensitive canopy, rear privacy glass, 27-speaker audio system, 21-inch wheels and other configurations. In terms of power, Huawei's Drive One power field is equipped with a full-stack high-voltage system offering single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive options. Single-motor rear-wheel drive engine with a maximum power of 230 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 370 Nm. the official 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time is 6.7 seconds and the top speed is 215 km per hour. Dual-motor all-wheel drive, maximum power of 195 kilowatts and maximum torque of 280 Nm. System comprehensive power 425 kilowatts, comprehensive system torque 650 Nm. Official 0 to 100 km per hour. Acceleration time is 3.9 seconds and top speed is 220 km per hour.